software.cisco.com. Login. Use your account. Okay, search for access point 9100. This catalyst 9100 access points. And go to support. Click here. Downloads. And select the specific model. In my case, 9120 AX. Downloads and select the specific product model. In my case is this, and download this file. Okay, and go to documentation and convert catalyst 9100 access points to embedded wireless controller. Okay, open new tab. This document describes how to convert a lightweight Cisco Catalyst 9000 series access point to embedded wireless controller and gain access to its web interface. Okay, this is the downloaded file. You have the images. Okay, you need two different images, one for the access point and one for the embedded wireless controller. This is for the access point, and this is for the embedded wireless LAN controller. In my case, this is the model, so the image is this. The image is this. And this another for the embedded wireless LAN controller. And now download TFTP 64 or TFTP 32. Go to this link and download page. Download TFTP 64 version 4.64. Now execute to install and agree. Next. Then install. Now this is the shortcut. Double click and allow access to firewall. Okay, and connect the access point to a switch with power over Ethernet port. Now connect the laptop to the switch using an Ethernet connection is recommended. And now connect the laptop to the console of the access point. Okay, go to TerraTerm and console connection to the access point. Okay, the username Cisco, password Cisco, first C uppercase. Okay, Cisco enable Cisco. Okay, now you can set a host name. Okay, cap web AP host name. Okay, cap web AP host name. Enter. Now set the IP address cap web IP cap web IP 192.168.0 and 15 in my case is this network subnet mask and the default gateway is 1. Okay, this is the configuration for the access point. Okay, and now download 2 images for C9120 is this. Okay, go to the file, right click, extract. Okay, go to the directory and okay, TFTP 64. Go to the directory. Okay, C program files TFTP 64. Okay, TFTP 64 and copy the files, the images. Okay, for C9120 AP1G7. Okay, and the another for the first AP1 and C9800 and paste, continue. Continue. Okay, the two images, one for the access point and another for the WEC. Okay, and now disconnect Wi-Fi. Only use the Ethernet connection on the laptop. Verify your IP address on the laptop. Okay, the Ethernet connection 147. Okay, the Ethernet connection is 147. Okay, and this is the instruction. This line, copy, then paste to download the two images. Okay, this is the first. Okay, and the first image 100%, and the second image error. Okay, is terminated, is an error. So repeat the instruction. The first image and 100%, and the second image 100%. Very nice. Now the access point will reboot. So wait a moment. May take a while. Chassis number one. Okay, chassis number one. So this device is an access point and also a embedded wireless controller. Okay, would you like to enter initial configuration dialog? And the answer should be no. Would you like to terminate auto install? No. Okay, this is important. Okay, do not terminate the auto install. And wait a moment. Okay, Cisco Catalyst C9800 AP embedded wireless controller. Okay, on wireless connection, go to Cisco Air Provision, and the password is password. Okay, password. Next, yes. Okay, and now use the console to verify the IP address. Enable show IP interface brief, and it's 149.0.149 on the gigabit interface. So 192.168.0.149. Okay, and advanced proceed. And the username is web UI, and the password is Cisco lowercase. Login. Now set the host name, the country, the management username. In this case is user ADM01 and a password. Okay. Set a static IP address for management. I will use 015 and subnet mask 24. At the wireless network, set the SSID. Okay, I will use this and use WPA2 and set a password, then add. Okay, and you can add another network. Okay, use another name. Okay, and use WPA2, another password, and add. Now you have two wireless networks. Finish. Okay, and yes. Okay. Okay, now use the static IP for the interface 015. Okay, proceed. Okay, use the new IP address 015 in my case, and use the username and password for management. Remember, the new username is user ADM01 and password and login. Okay, and close this. Okay, close this. Now you can see two wireless LANs, one access point. Okay, you can see the current state. Two wireless LANs, one access point. Go to configuration, interface wireless. This is the gigabit interface with 015 IP address. 015, the management IP address. and configuration, go to access points. There is only one access point with IP address 0148. Okay, 0148 is the only one access point. Okay, IP address 0148, and go to configuration, go to wireless LANs, go to wireless LANs, and now you can see two wireless LANs. Okay, add another access point. By default, this access point uses an image of a lightweight access point, LAP. Okay, so this lightweight access point will communicate with the embedded wireless LAN controller. Okay, so connect the console of the laptop to the lightweight access point and use an Ethernet connection for the lightweight access point using a Power over Ethernet port. Okay, go to the console of the lightweight access point. Okay, okay, and wait a moment. Okay, now it's connecting with the embedded wireless LAN controller. Chassis number 2. Okay, chassis number 2. Okay, now go to the first access point, the embedded wireless LAN controller IP address 015. Okay, and the username and password. Now you can see two wireless LANs and two access points. Two access points. Okay, and you can review the two access points. Click. Now you can see one is 05 and another 0148. Okay, the IP addresses of the access points. Now, and you can review the Ethernet interface. Now you can see the gigabit interface is 0.15 for management, the static IP address. Okay, and on the console of the lightweight access point, the username, remember the new username, user ADM01, and password. Okay, and as you can see, and the host name is a standby device. Okay, a standby device. So the lightweight access point is a standby device.